Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. This video is for 9th class students, subject mathematics, chapter 4, lines and angles topic. So in this video, we are going to solve exercise 4.4 problem number 13. Let us see the question. This is the given question. In the given figure, if PQ is perpendicular to PS and if PQ is parallel to SR and angle SQR is equal to 28 degrees and angle QRT is equal to 65 degrees, then find the values of X and Y. So look at the figure. Given PQ is perpendicular to PS as well as this PQ is parallel to this SR. Okay, given SQR angle is given 28 degrees and QRT angle given 65 degrees. With this given information, we have to find the values of X and Y. Let us see. Yeah, let's write down that what is given. Yeah, given that PQ is perpendicular to PS and PQ is parallel to SR and given SQR angle is equal to 28 degrees, angle is at Q, okay, remember, and QRT given 65 degrees, angle is at R, remember that things, right? So if you observe this PQ is perpendicular to, PQ is parallel to SR. PQ is parallel to SR. If these two are parallel lines, this is a transversal, isn't it? If this is a transversal, this angle and this angle are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles in parallel lines are equal. That is nothing but angle X is equals to angle QSR, isn't it? Because right in bracket alternate interior angles are equal. Yeah, that is nothing but this angle QSR is equal to 60 degrees, X degrees. Yeah, alternate interior angles are for the lines PQ parallel SR, right? And if you observe, this QSR is a triangle and this SR side produced up to T. Okay, this is 65 degrees. This 65 degrees angle is the exterior angle of this QSR triangle, and this exterior angle is equals to the sum of these two angles. Okay, this is one of the triangle property, isn't it? Let's see here. Yeah, this 65 angle is equals to sum of this 28 degrees plus as well as this is nothing but X we got here. Okay, right. So if you transpose this X this side, it becomes X is equals to 65 minus 28 degrees. That is nothing but X we get to 37 degrees. Okay, right. And if you observe one more thing, X plus Y is equals to 90 degrees because so this PQ is perpendicular to PS, isn't it? As well as this PQ is parallel to SR. It means this PS is also perpendicular to SR, isn't it? It means the angle P and this angle SR both equal, isn't it? Angle P is equals to angle S, both are equal. Okay, so that is nothing but right. So X plus Y is equals to 90 degrees, right? Next, see, replace this X value with 37 degrees. Okay, so 37 degrees plus Y is equals to 90 degrees. If you transpose this 37 to RHS side, right, see here, Yeah, so transpose this 37 degrees RHS side, we get y is equals to 53 degrees. Okay, so once again I am repeating the concept from here. So how we get this x plus y equals 90 degrees? Look at here, once again I am repeating. This PQ is parallel to SR and this PQ is perpendicular to PS. It means this PS is also perpendicular to SR. Okay, it means the angle P is equals to angle S. Angle P is equals to angle S. Okay, so angle S have two portions here. One is Y and one more is X. There is nothing but X degrees plus Y degrees is equals to 90 degrees. Okay, this is one method, or we can tell this in another way also. If you observe, this is a right angle triangle. Right angle is at to P and this is 90 degrees, we know that already. So what is the remaining possibility for this x plus y? That is nothing but 90 degrees. Okay, yeah, this is we got here. You can use this concept or in the earlier concept also you can use. Okay, now we got already x is equals to 37 degrees and y is equals to 53 degrees. Is it clear? Yes, I hope you understand this problem. If you didn't understand this, try to watch again. Thank you.